nipa so church muti am na okura ne German book no ana wo koye after 3 days no ana wo ko tie videos no wo se mo se basa koye translation ni na etie sema Jimini naka ana bena koye no makofa no ebenada no David no ko chi David ni wie asa na mo friend papa no aka kire se metro na no asem ebrada de neighbor ya man 2 options se obed declare ni papa be ka se yemfa ne nkofie anase yenni amfa asaba ne court enti wo a wonnim mu no eneme mo wate bo bebia obegje ba bia ka kire wo se abronye ne ko Germany eko report ye se yanchi David no abronye oni sei meti hay ontimi maitili ha emekwa report me se obetma report me se matrete no obetma ko police station kwa se mesi me yin bibi ba onu ntimi kanche mesi ni potum because oninka ta po ekura no a obetmi de defend ne ho wo ho oko access friends visit so abronyo ni hu kwa so tukwan na all because of MP friends mo freeze the country nti sana tunijina start ye oneni ni am edene ko teye mo ko te omo edene ko share dem na oba besie te se frema timi se begna bontin ene nkofo begna bontin edi ekufo do ne busu ne yiri Rebecca wotin ba bi atem ba me abusuafo amutie me mo hye wa me mpa mo che
don't parry on your BIB Instagram IGP ibi kaka kwa IGP then parry me a day Ghana today me I know they fear don't parry so of don't parry if he be IGP then get people who then put don't parry for top he be there with the deal plus you don't understand me don't parry if I day Ghana today where don't parry they call him the IGP guy he do something way no good I go fit tell don't parry my mind. So of IGP, no, you know, be choose himself. Oh, if you open any tool, then get people who then they on top of IGP. But I know Akufo-Addo, or catch him say, "Yen be and Akufo-Addo, you know they listing. Oh, you understand me? Then Akufo-Addo don't go feel insulted. I got that man, no, you know they listing. You know they own a name. This is Srabo. Me, I they make fun of Nana Akufo-Addo, but I know they insult him. So come Nana Akufo-Addo, no on tie. Not you go talk that man go list. He be the president. 50-something billion. He chop. You put the talk. The private jet they fly. I don't go feel insult that man for Ghana. He go catch me. When if he catch me, where test me, they don't give me bail. Who be done party? If today Nana Akufo-Addo say make them catch me, put me for jail. Where them put me for jail? Who be done party? The only prayers I go do say NPP government go come out, make NDC government come, make them pardon me, make I come out. Apart from that, you know, I go chop 3 years of I can work in Sawamo. So I don't go feel insult Nana Akufo-Addo. Don't me ma I want to make to know and the Dimitri and social media. You most of you people where they help me at the post picture 1,000 like dislike. Today if I come Ghana, where I come do kwasi, I say where they catch me. Nothing you people go do give me. You people go do demonstration give me. You people go do nothing. Go say so what bro no kasa gidi. So about Ghana say achinetum or hondi a pie. You the same people they watch me. Where they give me fans, they give me man. Today if I come Ghana, where they catch me. You people go do demonstration that. You people go come to my aid. You people go come live video go tell say kwasia who say man no day. Man pass man. So me my social media views end the Dimitri because at the end of the day, no, and yo, Nana Akufo-Addo it be my president. Despite say I find pass him, that one not be insult. You understand me? Nana Akufo-Addo muye feche no. Ono ankasa nim say muye feche no. That one it not be insult. You understand me? Yes. So that one no, I like or I don't like Nana Akufo-Addo it be my president. Today the country we are there, if I get the country document, still Nana Akufo-Addo they rule me. Because in there, if I enter small problem, the first thing they go call be Ghana consulate. That be the first thing where they go call Ghana consulate straight up. So if Ghana consulate through them call them where they say Akwawe or Jimmy, Nana Akufo-Addo say oh when or yeah no, Charlie, they go bring me for Ghana. Oh. They not be here them born you for. So if you make long distance, go the do trim there, you come na Santini and say, I dey see that on any David, then that guy they sort of Santini, Me I dey tell you, or any David, you for real life, if you dare Ghana, you go feel insult that man. If you not go fit, talk in a sensible way, but you are a pussy. That's why they tell you people. Money now more social media, no more you pussies. You don't understand me? You are a pussy. No man for this world go tell you say you know the fear. Some guy be Jimmy say kata something kwasiama you the fear. Only trust city. If you know the fear, you be man. You kata guy the ugly boy. Put phone for your top then insult na Akufo-Addo. Only no osi. Onye gbemi amefe amba akami. U papa besu edibi. Onye gbemi. If you be man, you kata you get phone. Put phone for your top. Insult na Akufo-Addo. If you be man, you need trust. You say you be poor man. Then poor man picky. They don't get money for bill. Then catch you be we they can't tell you say moku we contribute can bill you. Onye gbemi. We will not be pussy you. People where we don't go fit insult them for real life. We don't go insult them. So that or any David and those boys know where they do no. Then they go talk say in them bagana. Na ye kumia. E ya santini na kumi. Say na usro. Usro na uye. You don't understand me? If they make statement say today. If I come Ghana, where then kill me? If you are Santini, me mojano go Santini. You dey fear say they go kill you. You dey fear those people. Massa, my long distance and dadamo. You understand me? My long distance and dadamo. My social media views, you know, and dadamo. Views to the anyachemo. Those people that they watch you, majority of them say they not be your people. Then get some guy be there America, they call him Dada Fred. So I kwanu the any su Jimmy for them who be that Dada Fred, another Dada Fred. We Jimmy. Kwasia Dada Fred, you first of all, you Dada Fred no self. You are not the one insult you but sometimes you know, you dey vex me, you dey see through Dada Fred, you dey see through. Mama MPP government wa makrona heading. You dey understand me? Things no dey go on. But who Dada Fred? Who want to quarry now? Who the phone betus? Uti said 1992 Abion. Yeah. Who Dada Fred? Uti said 1992 Abion. Bema unyefe. Now who kwasia wesu who obabe no share when you Dada Fred no onu uba. Ubetina siana MPP ISA MP. Then MPP ayama Ghana. Who want to quarry the Dada Fred through their own kasa. You understand me? That Fred who want to quarry, they see the truth, they go there. You know the feet talk. Kwasia na ubetinana and the MPP ISA and the MPP ISA na kwasia sama near friend Hopes in Adoye and now Hopes in Adoye. Oba oye Abraham Moshe. Hopes in Adoye Oba na oye Abraham Moshe. Who that Fred? Who kasana ububu wenim? Say the ensasha true mu radi kwane nim. Who kasana ububu wenim to so bia ensasha ni true mu. Hopes in Adoye ba program so okache se who ye fe chen. Abraham Moshe, Ujimie, and Outina na Usre, ya catcher says, Yadimbabe Bregu, Naya de Wu, ni Abraham Moshe, Tsoa, Mbani Befa Wu, Aja Abraham Moshe, na Ujimie, one catcher of I say, Osadoe, Uya mini paba. This kind of statements, it is an insult, na Jaika. So, by who Passia, Yanga, or Prezu say, who say Abraham Moshe, who are broche crapo, who never Abraham Moshe, and we have fact. No way Jimmy Crado. Obstina also kwasia court no tuma ya ude and a usri bibi Jimmy na who yefe. Show any musora na pana who dress na betina sa u kan mu a u bubu wenim ple to say ensasha u true mu no. Show any who yefe. Be ma tan who time. Na